I met a cute Corgi puppy, called Fergie. I took this photo, which inspired me to try out my first digital oil painting, not knowing that one of the Welsh stories said the Corgis are helpers for fairies who are originated from butterflies. Then, the magical thing happened after finished painting cute Fergie with a butterfly at 1 a.m. Is the Corgi magic real? When I woke up next day, I found this injured wing butterfly at 8 a.m. beside my desk. The butterfly story will be continued. Thanks for watching, and more Corgi art is coming.